Today we are going to make a super delicious and most consumed North Indian street food which has now made a mark all over India. We are going to make fried chicken momos. Before we get into the recipe, do not forget to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat and don't forget to press the bell icon. First, we will make a dough. To a bowl, let's add refined flour, whole wheat flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, vinegar, water as required, and let's combine and make a soft dough just like this. Now let's make the filling for the momos. In another bowl, add chicken mince, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped green chillies, salt, black pepper powder, vinegar, soy sauce, chopped coriander stalks, and mix it well. Now let's take a portion from the dough and shape it this way. Let's take a chopping board and dust it with refined flour, and let's roll it out into a thin roundel. Now take a ring mold and cut this evenly. Now add in the filling, apply water on the sides, and fold it into half and shape it this way. You have to pinch and fold just like this. Looks perfect. Now let's steam for 5 to 6 minutes. These look amazing. And now let's fry them in medium hot oil. Fry them until they turn golden brown. These look perfect. Let's serve them with your favorite dip. Super easy and super delicious fried chicken momos are ready. I am sure you will love this recipe. Don't forget to leave a comment below.